guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have got tea dumplings. I'm really excited. They're my first mini dumplings. They're so small. They're so cute. So the options that we have are purple, white, red, orange, pink, blue or gold. So let's do this. I really want the glitter one, the pink one, or the blue one, or the purple. I don't really mind. But I feel like white's really plain and then red's just too common. So here we go. You guys can see first. Oh, okay. It's okay. It's cuter than I thought it was actually. It's really cute. So it's actually really cute. I wasn't expecting that. I really like this one actually. I love the boxes for them. They're so cute. Cute. I got 2 today because my well, I didn't get 2. I got 3. But so my sister's bringing up the other one now. Okay. Because she just went to the shop and brought another one. Okay, here's the second one. The white one's really cute. I wasn't expecting that. It was nicer than I thought it was. So guys, this isn't backwards, if you were thinking that. I thought it was backwards, but it's not. Okay, here we go. Oh. Wait, why does this one feel different? This one feels more softer. Oh, it's popped. How has it popped? I haven't even gone out yet. Oh well. It doesn't matter. That's actually really cute though. The faces are probably the cutest. I got my Nike Pro leggings on. Okay. Time for the last one. Isn't it? Here we go. Third one. Guys, can you peek? No, you can't. So let's open up. I'm really excited for this one, even though I've already gotten 2 white. So hopefully this one should be a good one. They're all the same. Spent £14 on these. It's okay. They're really nice. I do like the white one though, it's really cute. Especially the face. I think I've already said that, but look how cute. And guys, can you comment if you want a squishy talk? I've got quite a lot of squishies and they're really nice. Got quite a lot of Nidos as well. I saw a Nido in there, but £7 for a singular Nido. and it wasn't even real. So yeah, it's not really worth it for, yeah, you know what I mean. And it wasn't very good as well. It was like broken. So comment down below if you want a squishy tour. I'm gonna be squishy shopping next week, so I'll give you another squishy tour then. Well, I'll probably post it next week. So yeah.